Hey YouTube, we got a quick video here today. We're going to do an Italian beef sandwich or a Chicago beef sandwich. Go a couple different things. Pretty much what it is you take some roast beef. I use the bottom round. I roasted it in the oven, let it cool, and then slice it up nice and thin, the best I could on my slicer. Slice it a little old, a little rough. I got a nice sub roll here. I melted some provolone on it already with some garlic bread, and then I made an Italian giuditta. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's vegetables, and you get carrots, celery, onion, cauliflower. You put that in salt water, let it brine overnight, take it out, rinse it off, and then you add, you also put some type of hot pepper in there. I use serrano peppers. Then you rinse it down, and then you add some other things, some chopped green olives with pimentos in it, and there's some basil in there, and some olive oil, and some vinegar, and you get this nice Italian medley here. So really good. So what I'm going to do here is I got my au jus that I have left over from that I made from the beef gravy. So pretty much what we're going to do, we're going to get our beef in here. It's nice and pink now, but I'm going to let it go a minute in here, and as it cooks for a minute on its boil, she's going to get rid of some of that pinkness. Of course, this was boiling too high, so I turned down a touch, but now I can't get it boiling yet, but we'll get here in a second. Here's our beef getting nice and flavored. There you go. Now some people, I've seen it made a whole bunch of different ways. So again, I encourage you to find your own recipe, or search it out, figure out how you want to do it. So I got my nice beef right here. Alright, so there's my beef. Maybe I'll put another, let's see. Oh, look at that. And then we got our Italian vegetables here, our giuditta. I know I'm saying that wrong, and somebody's gonna help me fix me out with that. This is a little spicy. So I know you're down here. So I got this right here, and I've been eating this right out of here for since the other day. All right, so here we go. Here is our Italian beef sandwich. Look at that. Alright? So, I encourage you, look at that. Now some people will take it and dip it right into, no, leave it alone. They will dip it right in the au jus. I'm going to refrain from that because it's really messy as it is. I don't like my bread to be that soggy. But, so, here you go. Here's your Italian beef sandwich. Let's get a close-up on that. Now I did find the recipe for the giuditta on allrecipes.com. Again, I encourage you to kind of do what you will with it. Hope you like this video, and check back again.